These three penny stocks, CLWT, BKTI, and CVU, have exhibited above average volume for the last 10 days, last 10 trading sessions. This indicates that interest from investors and traders has been increasing. And you may know that most bullish signals are considered more convincing if there is an increasing volume supporting the recent price moves. So this is a CLWT. That is Eurotech Holdings Company Limited, CLWT. The next one is BKTI, BK Technologies Corp. And then the other one is CPI Aerostructures Inc., CVU. So we'll begin with Eurotech Holdings Company Limited, CLWT. Let's see what's going on since the last 10 trading sessions. Okay, the underlying trend doesn't look that bullish for this particular stock, but you can clearly see also that it has been on the move. Because see, since the 20th, it has been extending. Obviously, you can evidently see that, but the picture doesn't look that so wonderful. The momentum is waning right now, but the implication of that is that based on this 10-day chart, the momentum has waned. But what it means is that if it has waned, it's binary. If it's waned at some point in the near term, it's likely going to improve. So the stock has rallied slightly, but the momentum has cooled off. The accumulation doesn't exactly paint a very good picture of that. So let's look at this and the data concerning the volumes from a naked short report. You can see this huge volume on the 16th of December, 629,880. It is not an unusual one. So something definitely happened on that session. Let's see whether we can get that here, 16th of December. Let's see whether we can correlate that with what we saw 16th of December, 16th. Yes, that's it here. You can see that huge spike. It changed everything completely. So it went from somewhere around $3 or so. Okay, yeah, somewhere around $3. It went somewhere around 340. Okay, around 4 p.m. when the session closed on the 15th, it was at 293, and it spiked all the way to 345 or thereabout, even higher than that. So I think that's exactly, amongst other things, that huge spike triggered the screeners to recognize this stock as one that has been on the move on increased volumes. But it's not exactly the most typical of them. I think this one, BKTI, BK Technologies Corp. Let's get the volume for that period for the stock. Let's get the volumes up here. BKTI. You can see these are the volumes from the 15th, 43,000. You can see that not as high as that's an unusually high volume. So it remained consistent. You can see that from the 15th, quite consistent, relatively consistent. It had this triple hundreds of thousands. This hundreds of thousands here as well. So it was quite consistent, much more decent as against the other one. So let's see what we have here for the stock. You can see that underlying trend is definitely bullish for this for over this 10-day period for the stock. At various times closing below its 50-day moving average and also moving up again. So right now it's now above all of those moving averages on this 10-day chart. And then we can see momentum is also improving, but not oversold. That's good. I think of all of them, I think this is the best of them all. You can see the accumulation distribution is also indicating a bullish one as well. So of the three of them, I think easily BKTI is the best, even though we haven't looked at the CVU. Let's get the volumes as well for CVU. Okay, from the 15th as well. Okay, this is also not bad at all. You can see as well, 64,000. See, and then we had this hundreds of thousands, or rather 136,639 on the 27th, just a few sessions ago. Okay, let's return to the chart and see what's going on there. The underlying trend for the for that period, the 10-day period, is also bullish, but right now it's the stock is below all of its moving averages on this chart as well, on this 10-day chart. Momentum has waned as well, is waned but not oversold. Okay, the accumulation distribution showed some strength, but is also clean off. So easily the best of them, of the three of them, is this BKTI. Momentum is still on the ascendant, or still on the ascendant, still increasing, and also the accumulation as well. So, but these is not this is not to say that you should buy them. I'm just pointing them out to you, and just see what you make of them. They have of late their volume for the last 10 trading sessions have been above average, and amongst other things as well. I think they're still pretty much rallying within a longer term period, depending on what the underlying trends are. So just see what you make of them, and thank you very much for watching this video.